What's the meaning of box room? Box room. Box room.
Box room. Box room. A box room typically refers to a small, spare bedroom or storage space in a house that is often too small to be used as a full-time bedroom. These rooms are often located toward the back or side of a property, and they can be difficult to decorate due to their limited size and lack of natural light. Despite this, box rooms can still be useful as storage areas or cozy home offices, and can even be converted into small-scale workout or hobby spaces with some creative thinking and smart design choices. Overall, while box rooms may present some design challenges, they can still be valuable spaces in any home.